Alright, welcome back. We're gonna get started. We're not gonna do a bunch tonight. It's a little late, and I start at a day camp tomorrow. So I just want to kill a little bit tonight. Let's get started. Continue. So I'm tired tonight. I just passed my not
Sacrificial lamb, you will receive our most sacred body. It begins now.
I started. I finished not a like a lifeguard position.
Oh, what the fuck?
Hey,
Like
stop
not
it.
a ward. Anyways, I finished
Hey, Yankee.
life-saving
Got
thing
your name?
today, and I'm very tired.
Leon.
I'm very serious.
Quiet type, eh? I'm Luis Serra. Guess you, me, picked the wrongest spot to vacation, eh? Hey, stop it. You move, I move.
I'll wait till this is done.
And I'm beat up enough as it is. I can see you're thinking. Bet you've been in spots like this before, huh? I guess you're here looking for someone. One more guess. Maybe some missing senorita?
Already seen this. Oh, okay. Tab.
Shit.
I'll be back in a minute.
Took my gear.
Now I'll be back in a minute. Alright, I'm back. Sorry, I just have to grab something for starting a new job tomorrow. Oh, yeah, they took everything, right?
Condor 1 to
Pretty
roost.
yes.
I've located Baby Eagle.
Chapter 2. See ya. Oh wow, okay. I assume there's also maps within maps and whatnot. Let's see if there's anything I missed in here. I don't think so. Touch the wall. Oh, damn, he does touch the wall. It seems dead, at least for now. Is there something? There's always something.
Pero no te puedes esconder.
Sees anyone here? Sneak kills. If you sneak behind an enemy when you have a knife, you can take them out in a single move without being warned. Okay. That's good to know.
Hey, that's my gear.
Nice stuff. That shit bag.
Un forastero.
Parrying. When you have a knife, you can parry an attack, space, when the prompt appears in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. You can successfully parry even if you press it before the prompt appears. Time it right and enemy will be staggered.
Puede ser.
Like basics. Another kitchen knife. Yeah, the thought is definitely just disappear. I always have more handgun ammo, even though I don't have a handgun. Oh, okay. I jump over that.
Puedes correr, pero no te puedes esconder.
I didn't know if I'd make that. Let's check over here quickly. Oh, I see.
Won't open.
Oh, okay, now I see. Go, Leon, go. Fuck. Damn it. Let's try again. Jump that. Spinning glitch of it. 2, 3, 4. Okay, no, don't do that. Ugh, I got everything back. Equip, 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 equip.
I'll be taking these
Alt, that's what I want. Okay.
back.
This. What's that? Gunpowder, gunpowder. No. Okay. Okay. Let's make some more shotgun shells. No. Craft. No, I have to combine that. Keep that. Oh shit, there's something there.
Over here, stranger.
Oh. Hi.
Who's that?
He's okay, at least.
Let's do some business.
Get rid of the rats that have taken up in the factory. We don't know if they are carrying any diseases, but we'd rather not find out. Exterminate all the rats abandoned factory. There are only 3.
Aye. Welcome.
Trading with the merchant. Weapons and items can be bought or sold to the merchant using paysets or peset. You can also upgrade or repair your weapons and equipment. Merchant requests. Once you've completed a task received from a blue request note, you can claim the reward by taking it to the merchant.
Well done. You've proven yourself reliable. I've got something new for you, mate.
Okay,
What you see is what I've got.
12,000. A scope. First aid spray. Case. Like the scope.
All yours, stranger. Wield him. What can I do you
Who
for?
not?
Knife needs care every once in a while.
Okay, ammo
Could be the
capacity.
difference, but see how that feels, mate. A fella like yourself should notice the difference right away.
Trade.
What's that? How have we procured these curiosities? Come back any time.
No. Oh, okay, I thought that would work. I guess it doesn't.
Welcome. Ooh, what you buying? That won't cover it, I'm afraid. There's some things money can't buy. Save up, then we can talk.
We'll send you the storage.
Hard times, mate.
Let's kill these rats. Locked drawer. Oh, right. Nothing bad's gonna happen. Damn, missed that shot. I'm 19 now. Alright, I think there's one more. Thought it was in here. Is in here. Rid of
Yes.
pest control. Done.
Took care of her request, did ya? I knew I could count on you. Got a selection of good things on sale, stranger. Don't get yourself killed now.
Holocaust coming along. Did you know that you can trade the spinel you receive as a reward for valuable goods that can't be bought otherwise? Got a load of use items. These map details are measures.
Welcome.
Sell. Okay.
I'll buy almost anything.
That's already been used up.
Thank you. Will that be all then?
Oh, sorry guys. Been so sneezy lately.
Why not try your hand at a new gun,
No.
stranger? Might save your life.
Space for a new gun, stranger.
All my
No.
wares are in tip-top shape, I assure you. Anything else I can help you with? Your weapons are in good hands, mate. I'll see you right. Dazzled, are you?
Yeah, we did
Our
that.
craftsmanship demands no
Power.
less. We'll come back anytime.
Load. Load. Two. Okay. Save game. Oops. Guess I need some kind of raven emblem.
The hell am I?
I don't know, Leo. I do not. Oh. This looks very safe. Yes, yes indeed. Too far. Is there anything I can hit near there? What if there we go. Get him up! There we go. Damn, this weapon's doing so much more damage. Okay, let's check that house out. Ooh, some spray. Okay. Yellow herb. Just yellow herb, do. And then here's your maximum health. The amount it increases depends by. There we go. Better at the fighting in this game. Slowly but surely. Ow! Is that my health meter?
One down.
Wow. Gunpowder. I need a key. Oh no, I don't. Key items. Inlay. Okay, yeah, it has to be a square stone. That's kind of what I thought.
They keep coming.
Oh, who down? I was worried I'd fall down with this. I'd like to explore this area a little bit more. Now, oh dang, I thought I had that. Okay. I thought I made that. Yeah, in the head. Oh, okay. That's what I needed.
Out of the way.
Wow.
One down.
I really wish the turning in this game is faster. Ooh, a flash grenade. Okay. Steel pill. Whatever, we're just gonna pop this. Spots I haven't been. Oh, there you are. Neck. How do I get up there? Safe for now. This way? Let's get you to a bridge or something. I know I've already been up here, but let's just check anyways. Oh, there's a bridge up here. Get around there. Well, that opened that, so let's go down there. No, can't really do anything. This angle. There's a little. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's where I came from. Okay. Yes, a slight jog. That seems about right. Alright, is this what I needed? Okay, so it's, yeah, it's gotta be mirrored. There we go. Oh, yes, spin that thing, Leon. There's like full cement blocks here. Maybe I should be over there and save the game.
Oh, nothing but the finest.
Save. Maybe not so.
Ways. Welcome. What can I interest you in?
Yeah, I'm missing this.
You're a deal well struck. You'll get a bit more space, never hurt anyone. perfect size for you, stranger. Not only will you need cash, but you'll need guts to buy that weapon.
Okay, I did buy it.
Information is a commodity these days. Got a selection of good things on sale, stranger. If you want a fighting chance out there, you best tune up your
Okay, I
kits.
don't have it up. No. Let's just focus on this one for now.
Try that on for
All
size.
right.
Don't get yourself killed now.
Quit. Alright, what one are you on? Alright, you're not looking at them. Oh, there we go. Register shortcut. Okay. Let's do 4 and then register shortcut 4, 5, 6. Signal bolts. That maybe, but let's test this first. Storage. That's all they have here. I thought I put one in there. That's right, I put that stuff there. I don't remember doing it. Well, let's reload the. Oh wait, no, I didn't. I had some of that shit, but then for some reason I guess I deleted it or something like that. Okay, it saves recipes. That's nice. Let me open my chat on my phone so it's a bit easier to read. Hello, Red Panda. If you're still watching, I'm good. I don't know if you're still watching. Sorry if I didn't see your message.
¡El forastero!
Oh, there we go. There's the buttons on your body. Alright. Craft. There we go. Ooh, a sapphire. Oh, that. Red herb. What does red herb do again? All red herb can be combined with other herbs to enhance its effects. Alright. Okay. Oh, another one. I should watch where I'm going, shouldn't I? What would I need to learn from mistakes? And I could just keep making them. Get some money. Someone there. I don't know if I can check that out. Okay. Up to him, and damn it!
Feeling this?
Oh.
That was not easy.
Oh, an emerald. Yeah. So if I just waited out a little longer, I would have gotten some good stones for that necklace. When is it too late? Alright, let's keep looking. I need a key. I'll probably find it in this house, most likely.
It's locked.
Can't enter there either. Okay, well, see this path back here has already been triggered a bunch. What survey I need? I don't know. There's another one there. Keep walking carefully. Like that. Grab what was in it, which was many. Nothing over. Just going into a house that isn't mine. I think it'll be fun. Alright. Let's start from this area. There's no reason that there's a save point here at all. Right. Okay. In great veneration of their master, the people offered up their most prized possession. The old farmer, his finest crop, a slight wine herd of his snouted pig, the burly grandma, her own beloved babe. The master saw these gifts and was pleased. I think I might need that later. Let's see how much we need. Okay, I need something for that. And that kind of looks like it was on the gate outside, the little imprint that was in there. This is a nice house. There's a lot of paintings. Does a grandmother live here?
Not too shabby. Someone has shown up their neighbors.
Okay, a small key. looking around.
Old photos.
And nothing really was there for me. Oh, yes. At last, flesh of our flesh, blood of our blood, give thanks and rejoice. Bead curtain, hand grenade, pesos. Oh, okay. Yeah, let's see. Mission brief, charm, office, charm. Okay. Crop, swineherd, pig, bait. Crop. Pig. No. Okay. Maybe like this? No. Let's see that. Okay. The old farmer is his crop. The slight is swineherd. From snouted pig. And a babe. So crop. I think pig, babe. Okay. So I think. Yes, I think crop, pig, babe. Crop. Pig. Oh, there we go. Hey! Crystal marble. Key items. Oh, okay. A crystal marble polished into a perfect sphere. Air bubbles can be seen on the inside. Maybe that fits in upstairs? I don't know. Seems to be another window. Leon, don't make any cool quips right now. We do not need them. Bathroom. Nothing seems to be in here for us, though. Let's try that crystal ball upstairs. Eee. Okay. Oh. Oh, good. Soon has to match. Let's see if we can get it to match. So close. Maybe this angle? What would me? I think it was from this angle. That's not correct angle though. Like that has to be it, right? But I assume if we get it correct, it'll just click in. What's going on? Why is this? There we go. That should happen. Oh! Okay, now I just have to turn it. That's gotta be correct. Fucking turn it. Without messing it up too much. It's like... Fucking turn it! Okay. Yes! Village records. Date October 10th. The weather has been strange of late. The wheat withers and the crows grow thin. Okay, the wheat withers and the crows grow thin. December 8th. There is a sign of famine. It is true, we lack the means to work the fields. But Lord Sadler's orders are absolute. January 30th. 30 people have starved to death. 5 crows will be slaughtered. March 11th. The pantries gather to cast lots. The partridges gathered cast lots, and 6 more chosen from Lord Sader. April, 8 more today, 4 more today, 11 more today. No more dates. 2 outsiders got lost and wandered into the village. We took them to the altar for the ritual. No need to cast lots today. Oh, okay. That's who we saw in that little video. Whenever in that video. Oh, okay. Insignia key. Father Michael. Okay, this our version of Professor X.
The blood has accepted the gift.
Oh my gosh, it's Ada Wong! My queen! My queen! Oh, excuse me.
Gift? My blood?
Sorry. Dang, that chapter was not long. I know. Fuck, I wanted to read some shit. I meant to save that.
Bruce Condor 1, I've got that intel you requested on Louis Serra. It seems he used to be a researcher for Umbrella.
Save up here.
Umbrella? I should have left him in that bag to rot.
Those bastards.
I'm sending you the details. Take a look, but Baby Eagle is your priority.
Wait, there's something there.
Copy that.
Wait, no, that's just the door.
Making my way to the church. Condor 1, out.
I'm going to save for now. Yes. Alright, well, we're on the next chapter. I am tired. I would like to go to sleep. So, goodbye.